Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Betting on the Betfair Exchange is different from a traditional betting sites because it's a peer-to-peer marketplace where you can bet against other people rather than a bookmaker. I'll show you a simple step to get started. First, create an account on Betfair. Deposit money into your account to have funds available for betting. Second, understand bet types. Back bet, you bet for an outcome, a team winning a match. If that team wins, you win the bet. Lay bet, you bet against an outcome. If that team loses, you win the bet. You're effectively acting as the bookmaker. After that, navigate to the exchange market. On Betfair's website, choose the exchange tab. Browse marketers, sports events to find where you want to place a bet. Next, choose your bet. Select the event and outcome. For a back bet, select the odds in the blue box. For a lay bet, select the odds in the pink box. Set your stake or your amount to bet and check the odds. You can set your own odds and wait for someone to match it, or take the odds currently available. Once placed, monitor the event to see if you win. You can also cash out on some bets if you want to secure a profit or minimize a loss before the event finishes. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.